Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. DDoS mitigation with Mikrotik, a comprehensive tutorial, English subbed. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on how to implement DDoS mitigation techniques using Mikrotik routers. We'll cover various methods, from basic firewall rules to more advanced queuing and routing strategies, all aimed at protecting your network from distributed denial of service attacks. We'll also provide practical examples and code snippets you can adapt to your specific needs. Understanding DDoS attacks *. Before we dive into mitigation, let's briefly understand what a DDoS attack is. A DDoS attack floods your network with malicious traffic, overwhelming your resources and rendering your services unavailable to legitimate users. These attacks can originate from various sources, making them difficult to identify and block. Why Mikrotik for DDoS mitigation? Mikrotik routers offer a robust and versatile platform for implementing DDoS mitigation strategies. They provide powerful firewall. Mikrotik's firewall allows you to define complex rules based on various criteria, like source IP, destination IP, port, protocol, and more. Queuing mechanisms. Mikrotik offers sophisticated queuing mechanisms that allow you to prioritize legitimate traffic and limit the impact of malicious traffic. Routing capabilities. Mikrotik's routing capabilities can be used to redirect traffic, load balance, and implement traffic filtering techniques. Scripting and automation. Mikrotik's scripting capabilities allow you to automate tasks, monitor network traffic, and react to attacks in real time. Disclaimer. This tutorial provides general guidance. The specific mitigation strategies you need to implement will depend on the type of DDoS attacks you are facing, your network infrastructure, and your budget. DDoS mitigation is an ongoing process. You need to continuously monitor your network traffic, adapt your mitigation strategies as needed, and stay up to date on the latest DDoS attack techniques. Implementing these techniques can affect legitimate traffic. Careful testing and monitoring are crucial to ensure you are not blocking legitimate users. This guide does not guarantee complete protection against all DDoS attacks, especially sophisticated and well-resourced attacks. Consider a multi-layered security approach, potentially including dedicated DDoS mitigation services from specialized providers. Basic firewall rules. These rules act as the first line of defense, blocking common attack patterns and limiting the impact of malicious traffic. 1. Drop invalid packets. Drop packets with invalid flags. These packets rarely have legitimate uses and are often associated with attacks. Explanation. Chain equals forward. This rule applies to traffic that is being forwarded through the router. Connection state equals invalid. This rule matches packets that have an invalid connection state. Action equals drop. This rule drops the matching packets. Comment equals drop invalid connections, adds a descriptive comment to the rule. 2. Limit ICMP traffic, ping flood protection. ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, is used for ping requests. A ping flood attack can overwhelm your network. Limit the rate of ICMP traffic. Explanation. Chain equals input. This rule applies to traffic destined for the router itself. Protocol equals ICMP. This rule matches ICMP traffic. Limit equals 50,10 packet, allows a maximum of 50 ICMP packets every 10 seconds. Adjust these values based on your needs. Action equals accept. This rule accepts the matching packets. Asterisk the second rule drops any ICMP packets that exceed the limit. 3. SYN flood protection asterisk asterisk. A SYN flood attack attempts to exhaust server resources by sending a large number of SYN packets without completing the TCP handshake. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk TCP flags equals SYN. This rule matches TCP packets with the SYN flag set, indicating a new connection request. Asterisk connection limit equals 5032. This limits the number of concurrent SYN connections from a single IP address. Adjust the values to suit your environment. The first number, 50, is the connection limit, and the second number, 32, is the time in seconds the connection limit applies to. Asterisk action equals drop, drops excessive connections. Asterisk the second rule allows connections up to the limit, but filters when exceeding that limit. 4. Stateful firewall asterisk asterisk. Ensure your firewall tracks connection states. This is crucial for identifying and blocking abnormal traffic patterns. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk connection state equals established related, allows established and related connections. This is essential for normal network operation. Asterisk connection state equals new, matches new connection requests. Asterisk DST port equals 80,443, applies the rule to HTTP, port 80, and HTTPS, port 443, traffic. Adjust the ports as needed for your services. Asterisk the first three rules allow up to 100 new TCP connections to ports 80 and 443 every 32 seconds. Asterisk the final rule drops all remaining new connections that haven't matched the other rules. 2. Advanced queuing, traffic shaping. Queuing allows you to prioritize legitimate traffic and limit the impact of malicious traffic. 1. Simple queues asterisk asterisk. Simple queues provide a basic mechanism for limiting bandwidth per IP address or subnet. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk target equals 192.168.1.0/24, this queue applies to the specified IP address range. Change this to your internal network subnet. Asterisk DST port equals 80, applies the queue to traffic destined for port 80, HTTP. Asterisk SRC port equals 80, applies the queue to traffic originating from port 80, HTTP. Asterisk max limit equals 1M/1M, limits the upload and download bandwidth to 1 Mbps. Adjust as needed based on your internet connection and the number of users. 2. Queue trees asterisk asterisk. Queue trees provide a more flexible and hierarchical way to manage bandwidth. They allow you to create different queues for different types of traffic and prioritize them based on your needs. Example, prioritize VoIP traffic asterisk. This example prioritizes VoIP, voice over IP, traffic. Asterisk step 1, create a queue type for VoIP asterisk. Asterisk step 2, create a parent queue asterisk. Asterisk step 3, create a VoIP queue and place it under the parent queue. Asterisk step 4, mark VoIP packets using firewall mangle asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk queue type, VoIP queue. This defines the type of queue, using PCQ, per connection queue, to ensure fair bandwidth allocation to each VoIP connection. PCQ classifier specifies how connections are classified, destination address and port. PCQ rate specifies the maximum bandwidth per connection. Asterisk parent queues, global upload/download. These queues represent the total upload and download bandwidth available on the interface. You'll need to adjust the max limit values to match your internet connection speed. Parent equals global out and parent equals global in specify that these queues apply to outgoing and incoming traffic, respectively. Asterisk VoIP queues, VoIP upload/download. These queues are placed under the parent queues, allowing you to prioritize VoIP traffic within the overall bandwidth limits. Packet mark specifies which packets should be assigned to this queue. The queue parameter references the VoIP queue type. Asterisk firewall mangle. Asterisk the firewall mangle rules identify VoIP traffic. UDP on ports 5060 to 5061 are common for SIP, and mark the packets with specific packet marks, VoIP download and VoIP upload. These packet marks are then used by the queue tree to direct the traffic to the appropriate VoIP queues. Pass-through equals no prevents the packet from being processed by any other rules in this mangle chain. 3. Routing and filtering asterisk asterisk. These techniques allow you to redirect traffic, filter malicious sources, and protect specific servers. 1. Black hole routing asterisk asterisk. If you identify a specific IP address or subnet as the source of malicious traffic, you can route it to a black hole. This effectively drops all traffic from that source. Use with caution, as it could block legitimate traffic if the source IP is spoofed. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk DST address equals evil.ip.address/32, this specifies the IP address, or subnet, to be black-holed. Replace evil.ip.address with the actual malicious IP. Asterisk gateway equals 127.0.0.1, this routes the traffic to the loopback address, effectively dropping it. 2. GeoIP filtering, using third-party lists. If you only expect traffic from certain countries, you can block traffic from other countries using GeoIP filtering. This requires obtaining a GeoIP database and importing it into your Mikrotik. Asterisk obtain a GeoIP database asterisk many services offer free or paid GeoIP databases. MaxMind is a popular provider. Download the database in a format that can be imported into Mikrotik, example CSV. Asterisk import the GeoIP database asterisk you'll need to use a script to import the GeoIP data into Mikrotik address lists. Here's a simplified example using a CSV file. Important considerations for GeoIP filtering asterisk. Asterisk accuracy asterisk GeoIP databases are not always 100% accurate. You might inadvertently block legitimate traffic. Monitor your logs carefully. Asterisk performance asterisk large address lists can impact router performance. Use them judiciously. Asterisk maintenance asterisk GeoIP databases need to be updated regularly to maintain accuracy. Automate the update process. Asterisk blocking traffic asterisk. Once the database is loaded into address lists, create firewall rules to block traffic from the specified countries. 4. Scripting and automation asterisk asterisk. Mikrotik's scripting capabilities allow you to automate tasks, monitor network traffic, and react to attacks in real time. 1. Dynamic address list updates asterisk asterisk. This script monitors connection counts from specific IP addresses and adds them to a blacklist if they exceed a threshold. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk threshold, the connection count threshold for blocking an IP address. Asterisk timer interval, the interval at which the script runs, example every 60 seconds. Asterisk the script iterates through all current connections and counts the number of connections from each source IP. Asterisk if the connection count exceeds the threshold, the IP address is added to the blacklist address list. Asterisk if the count falls below half the threshold, the IP is automatically removed from the blacklist. This adds a level of protection to legitimate connections. Asterisk a scheduler is created to run the script periodically. 2. Firewall rule to block blacklisted IPs asterisk asterisk. V. Monitoring and logging asterisk asterisk. Monitoring your network traffic and logging firewall events are essential for identifying and responding to DDoS attacks. 1. SNMP monitoring asterisk asterisk. Use SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol, to monitor router performance, CPU utilization, memory usage, and interface traffic. Tools like Cacti, Zabbix, and PRTG Network Monitor can be used to visualize this data. 2. Firewall logging asterisk asterisk. Enable logging for your firewall rules to track blocked traffic and identify potential attack patterns. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk log equals yes, enables logging for the specified rule. Asterisk log prefix, adds a prefix to the log messages, making it easier to identify the source of the log entries. 3. Centralized logging, syslog. Configure your Mikrotik to send its logs to a central syslog server. This allows you to analyze log data from multiple devices in a single location. 6. Best practices asterisk asterisk. Asterisk keep your Mikrotik firmware up to date. Asterisk updates often include security patches that address vulnerabilities that could be exploited by attackers. Asterisk change the default administrator password. Asterisk use a strong, unique password for the admin account. Asterisk disable unnecessary services. Asterisk disable any services that you don't need to reduce the attack surface. Asterisk implement a multi-layered security approach. Asterisk combine Mikrotik firewall rules and queuing with other security measures, such as web application firewalls, WAFs, and intrusion detection systems, IDS. Asterisk regularly review your firewall rules and queuing configuration. Asterisk ensure that your configuration is effective and that it is not blocking legitimate traffic. Asterisk test your mitigation strategies. Asterisk simulate DDoS attacks to test the effectiveness of your mitigation strategies and identify any weaknesses. Asterisk consult with security professionals. Asterisk if you are facing a serious DDoS attack, consider consulting with security professionals who can provide expert guidance and assistance. 7. Code examples, combined. Here's a combined code example incorporating many of the techniques discussed. Remember to adapt this code to your specific network environment and testing. This provides a foundation, but you'll need to monitor and adjust as needed. Good luck.